Hello everyone, good morning. We are Group 6 from Major Agribusiness A Indralaya. Now we want to presentation our discussion about reading section, topic and statement idea. Before continue, we will introduce ourselves.
Okay guys, hello, my name is Frederich Siagian and I'm 18 years old.
Hello everyone, I am Ghaitsa Safira Adzra.
Hi friends, my name is Hana Pangestu.
So guys, my name is Indah Wahyuni Sitanggang. Okay guys, now we will talk about reading section which will be explained by me. First, I wanna ask you, what is reading section? Okay, let me tell you. In the reading section, we must use our strategy to answer the question in the text question from exercise. And usually, in the text question from exercise, will be so long and consist of several sentences and also several paragraphs. And now, I want to tell you some steps to answer the reading question. First, previewing. You know what is previewing? Okay, I want to tell you. Previewing, it means we only read the beginning of sentence and also read the end of sentence of each paragraph. 2. Read the form of question to find what answers are asked for. In a text, we usually encounter the topic sentence and also the statement idea. And how to identify these two things? The following discussion is a text must contain the main idea and also the topic sentence. These things must be included so that the discussion is structured and doesn't spread out or go off topic. To know the points, we have to look at the intent and situation in the text. In the reading section, we usually find various kinds and types of question. Usually, we find the question like, what is the topic of the text? And also, we can find what is the statement idea in the text. And the next, my friend Ghaitsa will explain about topic in the reading section.
Hello everyone, I'm Ghaitsa Safira Adzra and thank you to Indah for the previous explanation. Now, I will explain to you guys about the part of the topics. So, what is topic? Topic is general subject of the text. So, we can know that the topic is what things are we talking about in general. The topic is not a sentence, but the word or phrase. For example, topic can be on love, rainy season, school, economic, and politics. Topics are made in phrase, not in sentence. Topic is a discussion of the scope of the paragraph content. Therefore, the topic will discuss the topic of discussion and main ideas. Topics are also usually at the beginning of the paragraph, but can also in the middle or at the end. The point of the topic is a word in the general theme or message. That's what some call the subject. The topic sentence denotes the general theme or part of the theme that will be covered in the paragraph. While the topic sentence can be appear anywhere in the paragraph, it's usually the first sentence and for good reason. The sentence provides focus the writer when the writing and the reader when writing. When you come across a topic sentence, be sure to underline it, that it stands out not only now, but later when you review it. Topic questions. Now, I wanna tell some sentence in question asking the topics in the text. First, what is topic of the text? Second, what is topic discussed in the text? Okay, that's all about my explanation. Now I give it back to Indah and thank you.
Thank you to Ghaitsa for explaining about topic in the reading section. I think the explanation so clear and also interesting. And now my friend Hana will explain us about statement idea. You can wait. Here we go.
Hi guys, I'm Hana Pangestu. Thank you to Indah. Now I will explain to you guys about the part of state main idea. Guys, do you know what is state main idea? Listen me. The state main idea or the main idea is the core of a paragraph. Each paragraph should have a main idea, so readers know what the author is trying to convey in his writing. The main idea is what is important about a topic. To find the main idea, try wondering what was said about people, things, or ideas. The main idea is also a sentence, usually placed in the first sentence, but the main idea can also be placed in the middle or at the end of paragraph, depending on how you arrange it. It can be noticed that the main idea contains the topic discussed. The main idea questions. Now, I wanna tell you some sentence in question asking the state main idea in the text. First, what is the main idea of the text? Second, what is the text about? And the last, what is the main point of the passage? Okay guys, that's all my explanation. Now I give it back to Indah. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Hana, for your explanation about statement idea. I think that's so very clear. And now guys, I wanna ask you, do you know tips and tricks to find topic and statement idea in the text? Okay, now my friend Frederich wanna tell us about tips and tricks about it.
I want to give a thanks to Indah for giving me an opportunity to explain to you guys about some tips and tricks to find the topic and main idea from a text. The first question is, how do you find topics in a text? If you don't know how to find the topic in the text, here I will give you tips and tricks on how to determine topics in the text. The first tips and trick is read and ask, like what the whole text is about or what did the author teach me. And the second tips is write a word or phrase that answers what the text is about. In your mind think, writers thought of me about blank blank blank. And the third tip is don't write a topic in full sentences, but write it in one word or in a phrase or only a combination of words, no subject and predicate. And the second question is, and how about find stated main idea in the text? Here are some tips from me to help you guys. The first tip is we read the first sentence of each paragraph in the text. The second tip is find the same idea from each paragraph. And the third tip is quick read the information contained in the text. And the fourth tip is elimination of answers that are definitely wrong in the question option. And the fifth tips or the last one tips is the correct answer must cover the entire paragraph. Okay guys, that's all about my explanation. Now I give it back to Indah. Thank you very much and don't ever forget me bro. Bye bye.
Thank you to Frederich for the explanation about tips and tricks to find the topic sentence and also the statement idea in the reading section. I think the tips and tricks so cool, right? Yes, of course. And now guys, that we can be better understand, we will provide some example and also the explanation of answer.
I will discuss about determining the topic in the text. Text, floods hit East Java again. This was the overflowing of Bengawan Solo due to a collapsed embankment in Tegalsari village, Widang district, Tuban. The incident also result into casualties. The question is, the topic of the text is A. Economics, B. Politics, C. Natural event, and D. Social. So, the answer is C, because the topic only talks about natural event. Next, Indah will discuss about determining main idea.
Now guys, I will explain about determining the main idea in the text. The text is, trees provide many benefits for humans and also the other living things. Trees act as a source of food, medicine, and also industrial material. And one of the most important is trees as a producer of the most fresh air. The question is, what is the main idea of the text above? A. Trees as a source of food. B. Health of benefits tree. C. Trees as a industrial materials. And D. Trees as a producer of fresh air. The best answer from the question is B. The health of benefit trees. Why the answer is B? Because from the text only talk about benefits health of trees. Okay, next my friend Hana will explain about the other example of find the topic in the text.
Hi guys, I will discuss the other example about determining the topic in the text. The text is, gunman carries out a mass shooting in Las Vegas. He opened fire on security guards before showering the crowd of concert goers and killing 15 people. According to the public, it is the deadliest mass shooting in the modern histories of the United States. The question is, this topic is information about A. Crime, B. Transportation, C. Nature, or D. Education. Okay, the best answer to the question is A. The answer is A because the topic in the text only talk about crime. Next, Frederich will tell the other example of the main idea. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, I'm Frederich Siagian and welcome back with me again. And now I will discuss the other example about determining the main idea in the text. And while I'm reading the text, I hope you guys put your attention on me. The text is, organic fertilizer is a type of extermination that comes from the remains of living things. This organic fertilizer can come from animal waste. In addition, human waste can also be made into this type of fertilizer. Plant residues can also be used to make organic fertilizers. And the question is, the main idea of the paragraph above is A. The remains of animal waste. B. Fertilizer from animal waste. C. Human waste can be used as fertilizer. And the last option is D. Definition of organic fertilizers. The answer is D. Why do I answer D? Because the main idea in the text is to talk about definition of organic fertilizer. Okay guys, now I give it back to Indah. Thank you very much and bye bye.
Well everyone, we have explained many things from the beginning of the video. First, about reading section. The second, about topic. The third, about statement idea. The fourth, about tips and tricks to find topic and sentence. And the last is example and also the explanation of the answer. So I think that's all about our discussion in this video. If we have the bad word or also the wrong word, please forgive us. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Morning.